Shillong Traffic Police rengkat ke jingit rilang bat ke SBI General Insurance hag step jangka kanyo trek ulber ar hajar akun rio. Kila penlong ya ke jing pensyai pat ba halo ke jing shingan ya gilenti gisengkian daga basam ru kumbasis pateli ki helmet syaki kena skul hag tan dan keti. Kini ke jing sam helmet kalong ban penslor ki kena skul ban buat ke jing shingan bat ban sengutu ke jing koridor ke jing dang helmet. Kat bagi dang syong hagi bicycle lane ki arsyaka. Pihak sarkar kelapan pau bagai ke program kalong ban pen KM ke mensiam jigit klia naduk benang red. Kenang ban pendunai ke jing man ke jing java sengosi ne ke jing mensau. Haba ki led bat ke wana skol man la kesni. Dagi ne ke jing penslur ban penan kam ya kini ki tiar yada ibor pulit ki kimi lenti ban kentiau ya kerukam ban ken mau ya ke jing shingan ha surok. Bat ban dai samla ki penan kam ya ki lenti ba ha kandong ba.
Today, SBI General Insurance along with SBI here in Shillong, we are promoting road safety, and I am thankful to SBI General team. They are here and right in the morning when the school hours are on, and they are distributing helmets to those children and parents who are not wearing them. And I believe this will infuse a culture of helmet wearing here, which is so very important for personal safety while you are riding a two-wheeler here. And during the school hours, naturally the city is very busy. More bikes can be seen on the roads. So I am sure this will go a long way in promoting this culture of wearing helmets, not only for the riders, but also for the pillion riders. I am really thankful to SBI General team for having this at Shillong Center. Thank you so much.
Yes, traffic police. From the traffic police, we are committed to ensure the law enforcement, and we have already mandate that all the pillion riders, even the school children, although they should wear the helmet. I sincerely appreciate the General Insurance Company, SBI, General Manager is here, General Manager is here, have their commitment in distributing the 100 helmets today to the road safety and for their social commitment. See, the road safety is not, the responsibility doesn't lie only to the traffic police. It is the responsibility of each and every citizen and the every stockholders that to promote the road safety. And this is a great initiative taken by the SBI. So we are thankful and we urge the people and even the school children to wear the helmets. We are conducting the checking at every strategic points, and once again I will urge to the people that when they are coming to the school and they are bringing the children, they should wear the helmets.